Do you want to learn how to add text in pivot tables? We will activate the Power Pivot in your Excel. Go to File. Go to Options. Select Add-ins. Go to Manage. Select COM Add-ins. Click Go. Tick Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel. Click OK. Close your Excel. Open it again. As you can see, the Power Pivot option has been added. Now we will set up a model so we can create new measures. Copy any cells from your worksheets. Go to Power Pivot. Click Manage. Click Paste. We will name it Sample Table. Click OK. Close the Power Pivot window. Now we will create a pivot table. First, highlight our data set. Then Ctrl-T. Click OK. Go to Insert. Select Pivot Table. Select from Table or Range. For table name, I'll keep it as it is, which is Table 3. Then I will select Existing Worksheet, since I want to put in the same worksheet as my data set. I'll put it in cell H1. And don't forget to tick this option. Click OK. Go to Pivot Table Fields. I'll drag the name to rows. Sale to values. Scroll up. Hover your mouse on top of Table 3. Right-click. Select Add Measures. For table name, let us leave it as it is. For measure name, let's name it Text Remarks. For value description, as is. Now, let's go to our formula. The formula that we are going to use is concatenate X. Then open parentheses. For table, it will be Table 3. Then comma. For expression, we will select Table 3 Remarks. Since the text that we want to add in our pivot table is located on that column. Then comma. For the delimiter, this is optional, but just to be safe, we might need a separator for our text. Type quote. Then comma, space, quote. Close parenthesis. Let's check our formula. Click Check Dax Formula. OK, we are all set. Click OK. If you will check in Pivot Table Fields, another option has been added. Drag it to Values box. Now, the text has been added in our pivot table. If you want to remove the duplicate text, for example, Hitachi have a duplicate text which is Test 1. Because Hitachi have the rows with Test 1. To remove the duplicate words, we will edit the formula of this function. Hover your mouse on top of it. Right-click. Select Edit Measures. Type values after concatenate X open parenthesis. Open parenthesis. Highlight and delete Table 3. Then let's add Table 3 open close square bracket remarks. Close parenthesis. Let's check our formula. Click Check Dax Formula. Click OK. There you go. The duplicate word has disappeared. I hope you've learned something. Feel free to suggest any topics you would like to see for our next video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.